literally that easy. Hello everybody. So many of you guys asked me how I did my faux lashes, so I thought I would show you today. These are the Tatti lashes. They're pre-glued. They have the glue on the inside of the lash. That means they're going to go under the eye, not the traditional way that we used to put our faux lashes on. On the top, they're going to go under. And then all these little individuals, as you can see, I already used a few. So I thought, let's do it together, see how this goes. The first thing you're going to want to do is pull one of the little lashes off. It's pretty easy. And then you'll see that the glue is on the inside of the lash, not on the outside. So we're actually going to go underneath the lash. Are you ready? All right. So with a steady hand, you're going to take your little lash, get my mirror, and I'm going to start with the outer V. Okay, so that was how quick and easy it was. We go to the next section. I will say that the lash kind of does the work for you. Just gonna bond those together there. Third one really quick. Immediately stick. So you don't really have to do much. What I have learned from experimenting with these lashes is I like them further away from the actual base of the root as possible. So you're supposed to hit them right at the base, but to me, I could feel it a little bit. So I went just the tiniest little bit right next to where the base is, giving a little tiny bit of wiggle room. So if I did start feeling them touch my eye or my upper waterline, I wouldn't have to keep pinching them. And I did use 4 bands, 4 clusters. They do come with these cute little pink spoolies, and I love those. You can kind of just go in there and comb these bad boys out how you like them. Once these bond, it is recommended that you not take a shower for 24 hours. So plan ahead. I'm so shook how pretty that is. I love it so much. All right, let's do the other side. All right. Number 1, pincher. Let's do number 2. And again, not right at the lash line. That's what I learned. A little bit further than the lash line. Place the 4th one on, and I'm just going to push it up with my finger, and then use the little clamp and clamp them onto your natural lashes. Sometimes they're not going to be perfect. Like I think this one is lower here than this one, but I still really, really like the way it looks. I can show you guys close up how I didn't go right against the actual waterline, just a little bit above. Can you see that? So it's giving a little bit of space in there, because the first time I did it, I felt it on my waterline, and that wasn't working. Oh my God, it's so freaking good. Okay, now they're both on, and you can just take your little spoolie. Now I'm going to do something that I think is really important. It's going over the top with liquid liner. So I'm going to pull it. I've already done it. I'm just going to show you. And then go right over that line. It just makes the whole thing a little bit more cohesive. Then right on this area where I didn't put a lash, I think it looks good to just go in and kind of add some depth. With some liner. Oh my God. The final touch for me is now I'm going to wake up and I'm not going to have to do any mascara, any wing liner. I am missing makeup, so I am going to go in and just put a little bit of bronzer. I'm using the Flawless, and I'm literally just going to put it here. I can't be me if I don't put a little bit of makeup on. And yeah, maybe a little bit down here. That's really all we're doing. All right, you guys, that is the final look of the pre-glued Tatti lashes. They're literally $15. And I think not having to do your eyes for 3 days and just waking up looking like this is so worth it. This is the lash remover. It's literally like an oil base. After 3 or 4 days, you just put it, it's like a spoolie. You put it underneath and then you wait 30 seconds and then you just wipe your lashes off. They come off so easily. You can also purchase the cleansing mist to clean your clusters and put them on again. So yeah, I mean, what is not to love?